French philosopher Rene Descartes said, "I think, therefore I am." I say, what I think matters. Therefore, I share it. I start my sharing by recording Zoom videos and Zoom video guidebooks. I expand my sharing by posting my Zoom videos on both established sharing platforms like LinkedIn, Meetup, Facebook, Twitter, plus on new platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and local Chamber of Commerce websites, and by Gmailing to expand my digital networking. By now, we've all probably watched a Zoom video, a Zoom webinar, or a Zoom meeting, but you may still be looking right past the huge opportunity for you to make more money right now with Zoom because it's free, even though it's right under your nose. Don't overlook it. Zoom is not for somebody else, it's for you, because Zoom can help anybody and everybody today, one way or another. Zoom is likely the fastest way to get known and get clients. Zoom may simply help you to learn something new, or Zoom may help you to teach, explain, or demonstrate something new to help you grow your business. There are so many ways that you can accomplish and things that you can do with Zoom, with a free Zoom account in this new economy. And it's so many that I recognized I needed to create a whole new tutorial video guidebook for you to help you to transition into digital selling in this new economy. For example, making sales. Zoom is actually like a marketing armory waiting to fully equip a special forces team for digital selling. Don't try fighting a marketing battle by yourself or with BB guns or a pea shooter when you can win new sales with fully equipped Special Forces Dream Team, a dream team of experts. To paraphrase movie actor Liam Neeson, I have a particular set of skills that I developed over a long career. And my career was with NBC in New York, CNN in Los Angeles, plus 20 years in the TV infomercial industry. Folks, if you aren't already a member of the New Economy Chamber of Commerce or on our dream team of digital selling experts, then your competition may soon be using us to win sales from you, because we're launching a new national radio show all about this new economy. Because when it comes to selling, we believe may the best team win, mainly because, well, that's us. So the question is, how can an independent professional, an entrepreneur, or a small business operator cash in on the new focus by consumers on digital buying of services? That's why you need to focus on digital too, on digital networking, digital selling, and on the new digital sharing platforms. Because for savvy people and for companies alike who are current, digital selling starts and ends with Zoom. That's true whether or not you love LinkedIn or Meetup or Facebook or emailing, but especially for networking. The reason why I want to share the following right below here, Zoom video guidebook with you, is because these guidebook chapters are for anyone from bootstrapping startups to professional level income earners to media VIPs of the new economy. Learn the details about joining our free Zoom Chamber Lite mastermind sessions every Saturday morning. Visit theneweconomychamber.com and Zoom your way into the new economy.